Okay, my friend, it's everywhere. These are muscle sarcomeres. You see these? Right here, these are what sarcomeres are. And they engage like this to pull together, and they erode here because there's gooey stuff that's like fleshy and pulls in. And then there's connective tissue that's just tough as tough can be, as we just saw. This is the connective tissue. There's right there. Same. And these blocks are sarcomeres, and they have just, eroded away all the bloody stuff out of them and left the connective tissues. They're everywhere. They're everywhere, and they're big. They're big, and they are everywhere, and they're big. And when I say everywhere, I mean everywhere. Now, when I say they're everywhere, I'm not talking about just here or there. They are everywhere. This is in Donegal, Ireland. However, this is in Turkey. And this was where they had that terrible collapse. The whole side of the thing caved in. These are also muscle sarcomeres. This is red blood. These are the sarcomere layers and blocks. And this was, it was a terrible catastrophe. And these layers, this is where some blood was feeding in right here. All right, and these are regular, the muscle sarcomeres. Now, this leaked out, the blood ran down, I believe, underneath and just let it collapse. Now, this is, another rock. That's the surface. That's the straight cut across. This is the layering of the skin, and you get down into the muscle. Now, I believe in the one in Turkey, this stuff ran out and left a void in there, and the whole thing collapsed. That would be my take for Turkey. Because you can see the guy standing up on tire looking straight down, and there are all these blocks. And somewhere way down underneath, one of these layers of blood ran out because it was a hillside this way. That's my take. I could be wrong, but I think some underneath there, there was a red layer, and it just evacuated underneath and had nowhere else to go but down. So we're seeing sarcomeres. That's the medical pictures of sarcomeres. They pull together and they erode all the red stuff. The dark stuff erodes out. The white stuff stays because that's the connective tissue. This is a heart attack victim. And there's the sarcomeres. This is not millions of years in one picture. This is a chunk of tendon. And that pin is the tendon center. And it can go like this and slide along these plates. These synovial fluids are in here, and slippery as can be. And it can do all this stuff. That's not millions of years. That's the creature died. These creatures were staggeringly large. And when I said this stuff is not just here, it's everywhere. This is out on Mars. Here's the same sarcomeres, same ones. And this was a vein and an artery right here. And the artery had all those little tentacles going in there, the blood vessels to service the muscle right here. Now, it all ran off, and it still had the little crab legs. They called it crab. Well, it's because there's no real moisture up there. Otherwise, you just had a little. You'd see that, but you wouldn't see the legs. And this is just dusted off. It's not water eroded. All right, so that's that. And this is actually skin up on Mars. They call it the Mars Morse code. That's skin bunched together, pulled apart. Right there, the balls are the anchors. And the straps are weak compared to the balls. The balls last forever. Well, hold on one second. Now this is what's really crazy, is what I just showed you, all these sarcomeres up on Mars. Well, guess what? They went to this asteroid. It's called Bennu. And this is a heart. That's a heart valve right there. This is a heart valve right here. You see the size of that baby? There's another one over here. Now they came down on it and it went deep inside there, grabbed a chunk and came back to Earth with it, and it is muscle sarcomeres, just like all the rest of them. Here's what they came back with. This muscle sarcomeres. And this white stuff, these phosphate layers, are the layers in between the sarcomeres. And looking at it on the end, you can see the bundles. You see the bundles? That's what heart fibers look like. They're all bundled all around their cardiac muscle. And they are still sarcomeres, but they bundle around so they make a good weave, because you're actually twisting your heart. It's like one big rubber rope, and it twists and wrinkles it this way and wrinkles it that way. One goes out, one comes in. One goes out, one comes in. It's a pretty good device. It lasts a long time when it works good. So now check this out. They went out here. There's billions of dollars, at least way over $1 billion, to go out here. They want to know, how can we better understand this Bennu? Analysis of asteroid Bennu, the Smithsonian National Science Foundation. They're talking about taking 10 years to study this. And I know what it is right now. So do you. It's a heart. That's a heart. You see that? Look at this. That is, blood comes this way. If you try to go back this way, it clamps it off. You see it? That's the center. The blood would come out this way, and otherwise it clamps off. This one, the blood is going that way. This one is, I think they call that the tricuspid. I forget now. But this is what they look like. Hold on, I got a whole batch of them in a row here. Here it is. There it is right there. Yeah, the big one is the tricuspid. And anyway, this is all what we were just looking at, the plumbing of the heart. Here it is right here. This is Psyche. It's another heart out there in space. These are tubes coming out of that heart. These are the valves. That's the tendon, just like here. And that pops right off because of iron banding. Fully understood principle. The two colors of blood pop each other off. And you end up with this. That's Bennu. That's Psyche. And Bennu is the identical same thing. There it is right there. You see, this is it. Here's the valves. And they came back with the sarcomeres. These are sarcomeres. And the phosphate layer, which is phospholipids membrane. Phospholipid membranes. And a big surprise. Well, yes. They never expected it because they didn't realize it was a heart. The evidence is overwhelming. It's overwhelming. And on Earth, same thing. The giant heart. This is a giant heart. This guy's standing here saying, And that's the lung that goes with the heart. Usually it's sort of an assembly, heart, lungs. These are the alveoli in the heart, in the lung. And this is the webbing of the lung tissue. It's a very, very tough, fibrous, and that's why it can last so long and do the job it does. I tell you, about human body, once you start digging into it, it's just amazing. Now this is Psyche. It's another heart. They were right up here. This is pictures taken of it. This is not an artist's rendition. This is pictures. That is a tube. It's not a concussion. That's a tube. These are the valves. This is the tendon. The plumbing that was up here is all gooey stuff wrapped around it, and it just pops right off because of the iron banding. I think I've made my case. I will leave it at that. Thank you.